Hi y'all, welcome to Al's Outdoors. I've got a couple of reviews I got to get out of the way. I've had this stuff for a long time. These folks have been real patient with me since my wife passed away. This is a SeeSii chainsaw, I think that's how you say it. 8-inch, you saw in the video. Thing works great. It comes with an extra chain. It did everything I wanted it to do. I cut, oh, you saw the pile of firewood there that I cut. You got to remember I also cut the brush and threw it over the hill. So it cut quite a bit, and it's not meant to cut something real hard that big around like that. You know me, I put it to the test. It doesn't come with a bottle of oil, so I put some oil in a dish soap bottle. Not a big deal. It only comes with one battery, so I could have finished cutting that tree up if I'd have had a second battery. I do wish it came with a second battery. I believe they do have one that comes with a second battery. I know they probably haven't watched my review videos, because the last chainsaw video, if y'all saw that, I didn't like it. I made it very, very clear I didn't like it. This one here, I like it. That hard case makes it great. It just, I didn't have a bit of problem with anything. It never overheated. I probably ran it for, I don't know, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. You know, off and on. You don't continuously run a chainsaw, but it done more than I expected it to do. They might make a name for themselves. This thing here is pretty freaking cool. And that's about all I got to say about it. Y'all know I'll be honest with you. Thank you for coming to Al's Outdoors. We love you. Always share your fire. Discount code below.